Hello engineers, welcome back to Engineering Design Simplified. In this video series, I will be solving tough engineering mechanics problems. If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and press that bell button so that you will be notified when I upload a new video. Today's problem is to pull up a post. The arrangement shown in figure is used. A cable ABC is fixed to the post at A and to the frame at C, having the portion AB vertical and the portion BC inclined thereto by a small angle alpha. The cable BDE fastened to the ring at B and to the frame at E has the portion BD horizontal and the portion DE inclined to the horizontal by this small angle beta. On the ring at D, a man pulls vertically downward with his entire weight Q. Determine the vertical pull P applied to the post at A if alpha equal to beta equal to 0.1 radian and Q equal to 150 lb. In this problem given is a cable CBA or ABC is attached as shown in figure and a post A is attached here like this, and we need to find in this problem the pull P exerted when a man pulls with his own weight at this point D. So this cable BDE is attached here, and here a man pulls with his own weight with his entire weight Q downwards. So when the man pulls here with his entire weight, we need to find in this problem what is the pull exerted on this post, and angles given are alpha equal to beta that equal to 0.1 radian. In the coming slides, let us see how to solve this problem. Let us see forces and reactions. So at this point D, if the man pulls downwards with his entire weight Q, then this side of the string will experience a tension Re, let us call that, and this side of the cable also experiences a tension, let us call that T. So at this point, this side of the cable will also experience a tension, let us call that P, and this side of the cable will also experience a tension, let us call that Rc. Forces and reactions at point D, let us transfer them to xy plane here. So on this xy plane, Q is acting downwards and this side T is acting horizontally like this, and this side Re is acting, an angle between horizontal and Re is beta. Since this is beta, this angle between Re and Q will be 90 plus beta, and this side angle between Re and T will be 180 minus beta. So since this is horizontal and this is vertical, so angle between T and Q will be 90 degrees. Now let us write Lami's theorem. Lami's theorem is Q by sine 180 minus beta equal to T by sine 90 plus beta, that is also equal to Re by sine 90, that is written here. So from this first and second term we get T equal to Q sine 90 plus beta by sine 180 minus beta. Since beta is given in the problem 0.1 radian, if you want to convert that into degrees, we need to multiply that by 180 divided by pi. So that will become 5.7 degrees. So 90 plus beta will become 95.7 degrees, and 180 minus beta will become 174.3 degrees. So after simplification we get T equal to 1502.8 lb. Now let us transfer forces and reactions at point B to xy plane here. So on this xy plane, P is acting downwards and T we just calculated in the previous slide acting towards this direction horizontally, and Rc will be acting towards this direction. Angle between vertical and Rc is alpha. So angle between Rc and T will become 90 plus alpha, and angle between T and P will be 90 degrees, and angle between Rc and P will be 180 minus alpha. Again let us write Lami's theorem for this system of forces. So Lami's theorem is P by sine 90 plus alpha equal to T by sine 180 minus alpha, that is also equal to Rc by sine 90. So that is written here. So from this first and second term we get P equal to T sine 90 plus alpha by sine 180 minus alpha. So in the problem given alpha equal to beta equal to 0.1 radians, so that is converted to degrees, that will become 5.7 degrees. So after simplification we get P equal to 15056.1 lb. That's all for today's video. If you like this content, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.